Welcome to our guide on setting up a Murukulu, Nipattu, Chakodi manufacturing unit. In this video, we'll break down the initial investment required, which falls into two categories: fixed capital and working capital. First, let's talk about fixed capital, amounting to 4 lakh rupees. This includes investment in long-term assets such as the building, machinery, and equipment. We're talking about setting up the building or a shed, complete with necessary repairs, interior work, and furniture. Remember, we've already discussed machinery and equipment in a previous video. Also included in fixed capital are expenses like insurance, licenses, and permits. Next, we have working capital, totaling 2 lakh rupees. This is essential for your day-to-day operations. It covers cash on hand, about 1 month of inventory, and receivables for up to 4 weeks. We're assuming all purchases are made in cash. This calculation of working capital also factors in the initial cash burn until you reach profitability. Stay tuned for our upcoming video, where we'll share tips on minimizing startup costs to reach profitability sooner. So, the total capital investment for your Murukulu, Nipattu, Chakodi making manufacturing unit stands at 6 lakh rupees. This gives you a clear financial roadmap for your business. Please note that 6 lakh rupees is the capital required to set up 95 kgs per day capacity business. Understanding where to source this capital is as important as knowing how much you need. Fixed capital and working capital have different roles, hence their sources should be distinct. Fixed capital is invested in assets that stay in your business for a long time, like the plant and machinery. It's called fixed because it doesn't convert to cash quickly. For raising fixed capital, consider long-term, patient sources that don't require immediate repayment, like personal savings, help from friends and family, partnerships, or reinvesting profits. Working capital, on the other hand, is the lifeblood of your day-to-day business activities. It's what you use to buy raw materials and cover operational expenses. It's called working capital because it keeps moving with your sales cycle, which can range from a week to 3 months. Suitable sources for this can be short to medium term, possibly involving fixed repayments. Options include community institution loans or overdraft and cash credit facilities from banks at low interest rates. With this financial planning strategy, you're well on your way to establishing a successful Chakna manufacturing unit. Do like, share and subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.